So after the Raspberry Pi setup in the QNX Momentics IDE, so we need to run the Hello World program. So for that, first go to the file, new project, and then give QNX project, next, and then QNX executables, next, and then give any project name over there. And then once you have given the project name, so check whether the language is a C selected, and then CPU at variant as ARCH64, and then give finish. So once it is done, then you can check for the particular file. So everything it is there. Then build the project, and then you can run the project. So you'll be getting the output as hello world.